Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for your home decor. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet hanging baskets. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all type of new video notifications. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video. Here are some benefits of crochet hanging bags we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is space saving. Efficiently utilize vertical space for storage. What style? Ideal for organizing various items like produce, toiletries, or craft supplies. Eco-friendly. Made from sustainable materials, reducing plastic usage. Durability. Sturdy and long-lasting, perfect for everyday use. Breathable. Allow air circulation, preventing mold or root in stored item. Lightweight. Easy to hand and move without added bulk. Decorative. Adds a handmade artistic touch to any room or space. Customizable. Can be made in various colors, size and pattern to match decor. Portable. Can be moved or hung anywhere, offering flexible storage option. Organized. Help keep item tidy and easy to access. Multifunctional. Can be used in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom or office. Affordable. A low-cost storage solution compared to many other organizers. Improves room aesthetics. Adds a cozy handmade vibe to your home. Environmentally can be made from recycled yarn, promoting sustainability. Easy to clean. Usually washable, making maintenance simply. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Child friendly, soft, safe material for home with young children. Reduce clutter, helps clear up countertop or floor space. Great for small spaces. Perfect for apartments or rooms with limited space. Portable, can be moved from room to room as needed. Breathable, keeps items like fruits or vegetable fresh longer. Unique gift, handmade crochet hanging bags make thoughtful and personal gift. Enhances crafting skills. A good project for beginners to advanced crocheters. Promotes tidiness. Encourages organizing items efficiently. Functional decor. Combine form and function, serving as both decoration and storage. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our channel. Thank you very much for watching.